I think I believe in we believe in the saying sharing is growing. So feel free to share the information, and let's hope that people will come more to our events. This is a new and type of event when we are streaming on Facebook. So I hope you hear me, and let's go further. Okay, just 1 second to select. So now I have selected the Romanian Oracle User Group Facebook page, and we are going live. Just 1 second. Okay, so we are live now. Thank you everyone for attending again. And let me go further with the presentation. Let me try to put the music a little bit lower. And yeah, so hello and welcome everyone to the RoOUG Tech Session number 45. My name is Ciprian Onofreciuc and I'm your host this evening. I will start with few administrative information regarding this session and the RoOUG past and future activity. So we are Romanian Oracle User Group, or RoOUG, is a technology group dedicated to support users, and we have started to do this kind of activity in 2012. The community developed and into a professional association based on volunteering in 2017. Since 2012, we have organized more than 50 events, 45 tech sessions, including this one, 3 conferences, and several hands-on labs. So what we do, we are dedicated to providing the Oracle user community with relevant information about Oracle products and technology through webinars, articles, and events. What we value financial and organizational independence. RoOUG is not a subsidiary of an Oracle corporation, but a place where technology enthusiasts share ideas and information. We motivate users to share their knowledge through blogs, articles, and books. So we are trying to create a strong and respectable Romanian Oracle community. We also help companies to identify and value Oracle technology and Oracle technologists. So we believe, as I said before, we believe in growing, and we believe that sharing is growing. So please share your thoughts and don't be shy to ask questions during these events. Our presenter will be pleased to share their experience and knowledge. So this evening, we will have 2 speakers presenting, Radu Pârvu and Marcus Flechner. So they will, but I will present them a little bit later. What I want now is to present our next event, the biggest RoOUG event in 2021, our independent conference, Contact by RoOUG 2021. This event will bring together in 2 days 8 sessions, 8 technical sessions, and with accumulating more than 150 years of experience. So the presenters started to work with Oracle some time ago, and their accumulated experience is more than 150 years. We are having some open position advertised by companies in Romania, and we believe that this event will be, let's say, powered on the power of the community. So let me try to present the speakers that will present in this conference. Stephen Feuerstein is widely regarded as one of the world leading experts on Oracle PL SQL language. He serves as a senior advisor to Insum clients, helps Insum improve the expertise of its consultants, and joins the other Insum experts in supporting the worldwide Oracle Apex community. With nearly 30 years of experience in software, Steven has written 10 books on PL/SQL programming and trains thousands of developers around the world by sharing expertise via trainings, articles, videos, conferences, and workshops. Since 2014, he formed a team of Oracle developer advocates to help Oracle database developers to get most of their technology. He is responsible for putting up the popular Ask Tom portal and Oracle DevGym portal sites, both built with Oracle Apex. The second speaker is Valentino Robo from Oracle Romania. He is an Oracle engineer working in support for the last 20 years. Currently, he is working in advanced customer support. He is a former programmer and database administrator. His domains of expertise are data replication solutions with Golden Gate, database and SQL tuning, disaster recovery, backup and recovery policies. He is a big fan of relational databases, and he is convinced that ER modeling is still a must. ER modeling like entity relationship modeling. Volunteering for Oracle Academy, he is teaching and producing workshops and seminars for Oracle database related technology. He described himself as an art-inclined spirit trapped into an engineer body. Going further, Connor McDonald, he is a Oracle developer advocate for Oracle Corporation. Over the past 25 years, he has worked with systems in Australia, United Kingdom, Southeast Asia, Western Europe, and United States. He has authored 3 books and has been popular speaker at Oracle conferences around the world, specializing in topics regarding the database engine and PL/SQL. He won the Oracle Code Speaker Award in 2018, has 3 times, and he has won 3 times the Best Speaker by UK Oracle User Group Award, and was awarded a Lifetime Achievement Award by UK OUG in 2016. Going further, Christian Goman. Christian is currently working as a principal consultant and instructor at Trivadis in Germany, in Düsseldorf. His main focus is helping customers in the areas of architecture planning, implementation, and migration, with a specialization on high availability solutions like data guard or real application clusters. Since 2006, Christian Goman is working with Oracle and Oracle database and was part of a huge amount of different projects for customers and in the German-speaking areas. Besides his consultancy activities, he is the main developer and the responsible person for TVD Backup, a product distributed by Trivadis. This product is doing the intelligent backup and recovery of an Oracle database. In his spare time, he shares his knowledge on his blog, and he spends as much time as possible with his 2 dogs, Susie and Taran, for his hobbies, climbing and hiking. Going further, Chris Saxon, another Oracle legend, I would say. He is an Oracle developer advocate for SQL. His job is to help clients to get the best out of Oracle database and also to have fun with SQL. He is doing this kind of work by writing blogs at All Things SQL or managing a YouTube channel like The Magic of SQL. So if you want to contact him, you can contact him via Twitter or Ask Tom portal, where he is responding to the questions, technical questions. Going further, Kingberg Hansen is a database developer from Middelfart in Denmark. Originally, he started working in electronics, but switched immediately to programming when he decided that his programs work better than his electronics projects. He started to work with Commodore Basic on VIC 20 and with C on Modula 2 at Odense University, but he switched to Oracle SQL and PL/SQL. The last 2 languages he has worked with. The last 2 languages he has worked more than since 2000. His professional passion is to work with data inside the database, utilizing SQL language to the fullest capability and to achieve the best application experience for the users. He is also a member of Danish Beer Enthusiasts Association, which is a very interesting fact. Going further, David Kurtz. David has worked with Oracle since 1989, with PeopleSoft ERP applications since 1996, and he is specialized in system performing tuning. He now works for Accenture Enkitech Group as a system performance tuning specialist. David is a regular presenter to Oracle conferences and PeopleSoft conferences. He is a speaker, and also he's an IA's director and member of Oak Table. And last but not least, Gabriel Guzman. He is an IT professional with 8 years of experience with Oracle products going back to 2013 when he started to work with Apex 4. In 2017, he was hired by Insum Solutions, the biggest Apex consultancy company in America, to join and help with the formation of the initial team for Latin America with offices in Arequipa, Peru. He covered several positions in a lot of projects like developer, analyst, tech lead, and project manager. In 2020, he became Oracle Ace. So these are the speakers presenting at the conference. The ticket for this conference are available on the site, which I invite you to visit. This evening, at the end of the event, we will organize a raffle and offer to the lucky winner still present in this conference a ticket to the Contact by RoUG 2021 conference. So thank you for this, for the patience to listen to my introduction. I will present now the first speaker, Radu Pârvu, Oracle Ace Director, Research and the Research Principal Director at Accenture Enkitech Group. You can find Radu on Twitter. This evening, he will present a case study on Oracle Exadata with Hadoop cluster mixed in cloud with Gluent framework. Thank you very much, Radu. I will give you control.